Well, it's set over the weekend now. The 2K primer on it. Ought to be dry enough to sand. Now, we can either use this block, sand it all down perfect, take our time. But I think I'm just going to go ahead and use the Jitterbug. That'll get it awful nice and be a whole lot quicker. Let's see. Well, the trick is here, you're using the Jitterbug, keep it moving. Don't stop. You'll dig a ditch in it, make it wavy. Keep it moving even. That will make it flatten out. That'll get it done. Of course, that ain't show car quality, but it'll look good on a daily driver. Plenty good. Well, you might even do a show car like that. It'll work good. Yep, tree. Thing you gotta do is just knock that guide coat off. I don't know if the camera pick it up or not. You still see a little bit here and there. That'll work. Just keep it moving. You'll never know it had hail damage now. That'll look perfect. Yeah, just keep at it. Well, there's what you end up with. Sand it with the Jitterbug with 180. These dark spots, just where I went through a little bit, maybe some high spots. There's no low spots. That's just that black epoxy primer. It's just what you want. You want to leave that primer surface really thin. You don't want to build up on that. You want it thin. Thinner the better. Flat and straight. That's all you're looking for. I think we got it. Now let's do the other half. See, you still got some blocking to do. All them little circles, once they disappear, you got it flat. There's a little ding there. Just do it wide. Don't concentrate on just one spot. Concentrate on a wide one. That'll do the job. Here's another little trick if you're in a hurry. Shake you up a little primer, or primer, paint, whatever. Just mist it over at 180. Rub it in and get down them 180 marks. Just do the whole hood like that, or panel, whatever you're working on. Let her dry while you go to lunch. Come back, take you some 400, lock down this now till it's all gone, clean. You're ready to put some sealer on and paint it. All right, I'm just going to use a flexible hand pad. Wrap some 400 400 grit paper. Round it. Give it a quick blocking. Let's get rid of them 180 marks. Get it down to 400. Be ready to go. Sand her down to where you don't see no more black. At least not your guide coat. Be nice and smooth. You have it perfect. Look good. Well, just keep sanding until you get it smooth like this. This side still need more sanding. This side's ready. Yep. That's how you do it. While it's wet, you check and see how good a job you done. At least this half, there's not a flaw in it. It's perfect. Not even a wave. Look at that reflection. That's what you want. No hell dents anymore. That'll work. Yeah, spray me some sealer on it. Well, during this virus thing, I guess you just use what you can find. Hope it works. Well, got the black base coat on drying. Give that a few minutes. We'll shoot some clear coat. Don't see any more hell dents. Yep. You can make it slicker than this. Well, I've let it set a few days. Probably ready to color sand now. Don't look bad. Well, I'm just using my regular hand pad, I always do. 1500 grit paper. Fold her up, wet it. Always like to use just a water nozzle. Seems like it's cleaner to me. Just do some. It's real light. Just take your time. Try not to dig it in. That's not good. Make a bunch of real light strokes over it. That works a lot better than trying to push down. You can tell if you're getting the orange peel out. If you got good light, you can see. But if you don't, take a squeegee every now and then, check it. Make sure you're getting all the trash, the orange peel out. Just stay at it, you'll finally get it done. It looks slick as glass. We'll change sandpaper once we get it all blocked down. Nice and smooth and straight. We'll take these 1500 grit out with some 25 maybe, 2500 grit. Yeah. Stay at it, you'll finally get it done. While it's wet, it's a good time to check it. Looks pretty good.